Hello everyone, this is Nusrat and Afrin before you. So today we are gonna make a conversation about our hobbies and leisure time. So let's get started. Hello Afrin. Hello Nusrat, how are you? Yeah, I'm doing great. So what about you? Yeah, I'm fit as fiddle. Okay, so as we are friends, so today I'm not gonna introduce ourselves, so let's talk about our hobbies. Okay, let's start it. So what's your hobby? Okay, my hobby is drawing, dancing, and especially singing. What about you, Nusrat? My hobby is singing, dancing, listening to music, and also reading storybooks. Okay, so what do you do in your leisure time? Actually, I in my leisure time, I love to play football with my brother, younger brother, and also I like to read storybooks and singing songs. What about you? Okay, in my leisure time, I read magazines and any type of matter that I find interesting, and also I sing songs. Okay, so as I know that you are a good singer, so please give me a suggestion of songs. Okay, you can listen Alo by Dhaka.Cell and Uttara and Ohijo. These all songs are very interesting to listen. Okay, so who is your favorite singer? Okay, so my favorite singer is Pritam Hassan. What about you? My favorite singer is John Jungkook and he is from BTS. Okay, that's great. So let's talk about dancing. So, do you like dancing? Yes, I like dancing, and everyone says that I'm good at dancing because I performed in many marriage ceremonies. What about you? Do you like dancing? Actually, I like dancing, but I'm not good at dancing. Okay, so let's talk about study. So, what is your favorite subject? My favorite subject is mathematics and science. As we know that mathematics are the queen of science, and it's really very. I think I. It gives me immense pleasure, and I like it also. And then, and also I love to solving many problems. So that's why I like mathematics and science. Okay. What about you? My favorite subject is English, and you know the importance of English because if you want a good job in our future and want to go abroad, then English is much important. That's why English is my favorite subject, and it gives me immense pleasure. So, who is your favorite teacher? My favorite teacher is Sohul sir and Sadia Fernandez. What about you? My favorite teacher is Gautam sir, and he is our English teacher, and he is very efficient in teaching. Okay, so let's talk about our brothers and sisters, means our siblings. Okay. So, do you have any siblings? Yes, I have one sibling, and she is my younger sister named Afra, and she reads in class 1. What about you? Okay, so my I have one sibling which is my who is my younger brother, and his name is Tammy Gino, and he reads in class 1. Okay. So now let's talk about our favorite food. So as a food lover, what food do you like? Actually, Uh, I have many favorite foods, but basically, I love biryani. What about you? My favorite food is basically biryani, and it is very tasty and appetizing. That I think. Thank you so much, Afra. Nice to meet you. Okay, nice to meet you. So that's all for today. Thank you so much for being with us.